Salesforce right now, 79,000 people. Benioff is a force unto his own. Here's a fact. CRM down 51% from peak. Market drawdown 50%. Apple market drawdown 24%. What's the damage at Salesforce, and what does Elliott want to do to get it fixed?
I think for Benioff, clock struck midnight. It's not just with Elliott and other ActiveStar board and others. They're going to continue to drive, I think, significant margin improvement. Profits could be potential spinoffs and other strategic changes. And I think it just shows Salesforce, in a very strong position with their install base in cloud. Stock's been, an underperformer of late. And I think our view is that these are festival situations for activists. In terms of what I believe in tech, we're going to see more and more activists, especially in this market.
So Salesforce shares in pre-market trading up 4.4% after this announcement that Elliott had made this multi-billion-dollar investment in Salesforce. What other companies are good targets for this festival that you describe for activist investors?
Well, I think you're going to see it across the board in software and in chips. I think those are really the two areas that you're going to see activists really spend a lot of their time, not just because of the margin situation, but also this is the time where you're seeing tech firms cutting across the board, obviously despite what we're seeing with Apple. And I think that's really creating now in terms of M&A, growth opportunities, potentially drive more buybacks, dividends, especially in an underinvested tech landscape. I believe it's as underinvested as we've seen since 2009, which I believe the earnings setup is bullish over the next few weeks.